Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Meta Business Suite tutorial. If you're a business owner, marketer, or social media manager, Meta Business Suite offers a powerful set of tools to streamline your social media management and marketing efforts across Facebook and Instagram. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to identify the different tools and how to use them. So, as you can see right now on our screen, we are currently on our Meta Business Suite. I have created a temporary new page, a new Facebook page for us to test our Meta Business Suite, and we will be demonstrating to you the different features and checking out all the things that we could do. So, over here on the left side, we can see that this is our account over here. You can have multiple accounts in Meta Business Suite. You can manage multiple accounts from Facebook and Instagram. By simply clicking on this option over here, you will see this drop down section over here where you can see the accounts that you are currently managing. As you can see right now, my account is my temporary or new Facebook page that I have created. You could also create a business account directly in Meta Business Suite. By clicking on create a business account, as you can see, I will be able to enter a business account name over here. Any name that I want, it is completely up to you. And you have your contact information, your first name and last name, and then your business email that is connected to your business. So, if you would like to add an account or create an account directly in Meta Business, this is how you will be able to do it. You could bring your Facebook pages and Instagram accounts together in this Meta Business account. Now, if you would like to log out, of course, you simply click on log out over here. Now, currently, we are on the home page. This is our home page over here. We're going to explore this in a bit. We're first going to check out all the different things that we can access over here on the left side. This is the home page. Next is the notifications, inbox, posts and stories, planners, and ads and insights. And you can view all tools over here. Basically, everything you need to be able to manage your different pages, your different businesses that you have up online on both Facebook and Instagram, you will be able to manage it all in one place. Although you can manage them individually on Facebook itself or in Instagram itself, Meta Business Suite allows you to manage both at the same time and have some planning or scheduling ahead of time, as you can see here on the planner. You could view everything that you're going to post here, every statistics that you're going to see in your your Facebook or your Instagram post. You will be able to see them over here. Now let's explore our homepage and then let's go one by one and explore each and different features that we see over here. In the homepage, as you can see, we could create our post over here. You can also see your cover photo and profile picture over here in this section in this homepage. You could create a post by simply clicking on create post over here. You can also create an ad. And when you click on more, you will also be able to create a reel, a story, or go live for your Facebook page. Let's assume that I would like to create a post. I'm simply going to click on create post over here. And then this will show me this section over here where I could build my Facebook post. I could also see a very useful Facebook feed preview over here so that I know what my post would look like. I have one for desktop and mobile over here. So over here, you could upload a photo, a video, or even use a template over here. For Instagram posts, you cannot exceed more than 10 photos, so keep in mind that. You can also see here on the top on the post too, you could select what account or what social media platform you would like to upload it to. If you already have your Instagram account connected, you could post it in both Facebook or your Instagram, or you could only post it to Facebook or Instagram only. And you could also put in your product details over here. Let's say hello for now. And you can see here, it's going to change depending on the type of post you're creating. If I have added a photo from earlier, it's going to look like this. It will have the photo over here or even the video. But if you're only going to post a text, let's go type it again, it's going to show us this. Then you could add some emojis over here, like activities, happy, like that, your activity. And you can click on save. And I'm feeling happy as a part of my post. Let's see the preview. There we go. I have a feeling happy over here. I could add a location. I could get messages or like remove the activity. I could add some A-B testing. A-B testing is for testing which post is going to have more views or more interaction with your followers. And you could also add a link preview on your text. And after this, you could either publish it now. You could also schedule on what date or when you would like the specific post to be published. For example, over here, as you can see, it is on July 19, which is today. I could set it to maybe tomorrow, July 20. And I could also set the specific time I would like it to be updated to or uploaded to. I could also save it as a draft if I want and simply click on save. I have the option to also boost the post if I would like so that our post will reach more people. Now I'll cancel for now. Discard changes. And you can also see over here on the right side of our sections over here, you have your trends, your messaging, your audience. You could see a lot of information over here, like different statistics that is going to be helpful for you if you are trying to get some details. And over here, your to-do list, you could also add some to-do list for you. It's going to show you your different to-do lists, like your unread messages, comments, and other things that may require your attention. For example, people are tagging you to a post or messaging you directly. You will be able to see it over here, and you could message them and reply to them directly without having to open the application of Facebook and Instagram as well. You can also create a post again, once again over here. And scrolling down, you have your planner. You could see like your scheduled post or scheduled story over here. So you could see what post will be uploaded into this date or whenever. You could also check out your different posts that you have created. Right now, we have none. We have this post has no text over here. You can also see the same thing with stories over here. You can see all your different stories. Over here also, you could view your recent ads if ever you would like to have an ad. And over here, you can create a business account and you can connect your Instagram profile and Facebook page together. And you will be able to reach more people by sharing stories, posts, reels across both platforms. Now that is the home page of Meta Business Suite. Let's check out the notification. In the notification, basically, this is where you will be able to see information or notification that needed your attention. This is for both your Facebook page and Instagram account that you have added. And basically, this is like for when people commented, you will be able to see it over here. And you will be able to see important information or notification that is sent to your account in both Facebook and Instagram. Now over here, we have our inbox. This is where you can also reply to your different messages. As you can see here, you have your all messages, Messenger, which will limit the messages to Messenger chats only. You also have your Instagram and your Facebook comments and Instagram comments over here. To be able to use the Instagram versions, you're going to have to connect your Instagram account. Now, you will be able to see unread, important, or labels over here. You can also have some filters over here to be able to help you see your different text over here. Now, there is also some automations. As you can see here on the top, you click on automations and you could set up an automation such as instant reply. So when people chat you, there will be an automatic reply to them. There's also a frequently asked question here, away messages, identified unanswered messages, page recommendations, page not recommended, job application received, contact information, hours, location, and many more. You could add that to your automation, which will be automatically sent to the people who are chatting you. And depending on how you set this up, it can be very helpful for you to manage your contacts. You can also adjust your availability over here. Let people know that you are available for messaging or away, which will let people know that you will not be replying anytime soon. And over here, let's check out our posts and stories. This is where you can manage the different posts that you have uploaded before. You can see your published, your schedule, and draft. You could also see the same thing earlier at the home page. You have your scheduled and drafts over here. This is where you can see it. You could see both for posts and reels. You could also see it for the stories over here. You could also create a post directly in this section as well. You can see here, create story, create reel, and create post over here on the top. You can also check out your feed and grid over here. You can check out your feed, your Facebook post, and you can do another A/B testing. You can also add some mentions and tags over here. You can set that up. And let's check out our planner. In the planner, this is where you can schedule your different posts, or you can also monitor them. As you can see, you click on schedule over here on a specific date, and you will be able to see post, story, reel, and ad over here. You can change the planning to week, command over here, which would be very much helpful if you're doing a lot of scheduled posts. And you can also create it once again over here on the top right. Very useful. And lastly, we have ads, where you can create your own ads over here or have some ads for your different posts. And you have your insights over here. You can see this is where you can see your statistics. As you can see, your last week review, your activity. It's going to show you how many posts, how many stories you have added, how many ads that you have, your goals as well. If you set some goals, your results, as you can see, your messaging activity, all of those information. And you can also see like a bar graph over here for your reach and different statistics. You have your overview, results, audience, benchmarking, and you have your content over here as well. These are all very important, very helpful information for your statistics. And you can also click on all view or all tools over here. You can see your different tools. You have your engaging audience tools over here. Business feed, inbox, live dashboard, planner, post and stories. You also have your manage over here, like account quality, billing payments, business apps, getting started, page settings, and view page, and all of these different tools that you have over here. You could also search for a specific tool if you are a bit lost, and you can also click on search over here to help you with your different inquiries. And that is the most basic, or that's the basics of Meta Business Suite. Of course, there is a lot of in-depth features and in-depth uses for Business Suite. But for beginners, if you don't know how to use this and you're an absolute beginner and you don't know where to go, the most basic definition that I could give to you for Meta Business Suite is a place to manage both your profile in Facebook and Instagram, where you can check out your different posts. You could post there at the same time. You could check out your planner. You could have a scheduled post, and you could also check out your statistics for both Facebook and Instagram. This will allow you to efficiently make some decisions for growing your social media platform. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Meta Business Suite. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe.